SEO got you here. GEO will take you further, because in 2026, Google won't decide who wins, AI will. I'm Schaefer, founder of Whiskey River Media. We help founders and marketers build smarter businesses using systems, modern marketing, and the power of AI, so you can scale and exit on your terms. There is a massive shift happening. 70% plus of Gen Z and millennials now ask AI, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, instead of Googling. SEO is keywords plus backlinks. GEO is context plus authority plus structured knowledge. Artificial intelligence engines are choosing results based on understanding, not ranking. People are having conversations with large language models instead of stopping at the first result like they did with search. AI reads context, FAQs, and internal links like conversations, not search results. The brands being referenced inside ChatGPT answers will own the future of organic visibility. How can you start to capitalize on this? First, add structured data to every page, schema markup. Second, build context-rich FAQ sections. Third, publish authority-driven Q&A content. Fourth, link your content ecosystem, website, socials, and AI citations. SEO still matters. It's your foundation, but GEO is your multiplier, optimized for the AI that's talking about you, not just the humans searching for you.